Artificial intelligence isn't just changing the world, it's making people rich. From automated businesses to AI-powered content creation, people are building six-figure side hustles without any tech skills. And the best part? You can start today. Today, we'll break down 5 AI side hustles making people money right now, including one that pays people up to $20,000 a month just for training AI with their hobbies. So, which one will you start? Stick around, because number 4 is so simple. Almost anyone can do it. Let's get started. 1. AI-powered content creation. AI-generated content is a gold mine in 2025. People are making $5,000 plus per month running blogs, YouTube channels, and even TikTok pages, without ever creating content themselves. Here's how. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper write entire blog posts in minutes. 11 Labs and Murph AI create human-like voiceovers. No need to record yourself. Pictory and InVideo generate AI-edited videos, perfect for YouTube automation. How much can you make? Anywhere from $3,000 to $15,000 per month with ad revenue and sponsorships. Comment AI money if you'd start this hustle today. 2nd, AI chatbot businesses. AI chatbots are saving businesses millions, and you can cash in. Here's the playbook. Create AI-powered customer service chatbots using ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or BotPress. Sell chatbot services to small businesses that need automated support and AI sales assistance. Agencies charge anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month to manage chatbots. Real example. A freelancer made $12,000 in 3 months just building AI chatbots for Shopify stores. 3rd, AI-generated print-on-demand art. Imagine selling art you never even created. AI tools like MidJourney and Leonardo AI can generate stunning artwork, and people are buying like crazy. How to start? Use AI to generate custom designs for t-shirts, posters, and wall art. Sell them on Etsy, Redbubble, or Prettify. They handle printing and shipping. Some AI artists make $8,000 plus per month just selling AI-generated art. 2025 Pro Tip: niche designs, like anime, retro gaming, or futuristic themes, sell best. Comment AI design if you'd start an AI-powered art business. 4th, AI resume and LinkedIn optimization. AI is getting people hired, and you can make money helping them. Here's the game plan. Use ChatGPT and Resume AI to rewrite resumes and optimize LinkedIn profiles. Charge $50 to $300 per client. People are desperate for job-winning resumes. Offer LinkedIn growth services using AI engagement bots. One freelancer made $10,000 in 60 days just helping people boost LinkedIn engagement. Comment Job AI if you'd start this side hustle. 5. AI meme and AR filter creation. Meme culture is a billion-dollar industry, and AI is the cheat code. How it works. Use AI tools like Leonardo AI and DALL-E to generate viral meme templates. Sell them to brands or upload to TikTok's AR filter marketplace. Earn per use. A 17-year-old made $8,000 a month selling corporate cringe. AI meme filters to LinkedIn influencers. 2025. Hack AI tools auto-remix trends. You just copy-paste. Drop meme lord below if you're ready to go viral. That's it. 5 AI side hustles that are making people rich in 2025. Which one would you try first? Drop a comment below. Want step-by-step guides on these AI hustles? Subscribe now. I'm dropping a free AI hustle toolkit next week. Don't miss it.